Hi, what's up? Welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we are going to make an easy coffee smoothie for you. It takes just a few minutes to prepare this. We have boiled and chilled the full cream milk over here. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to it, 2 teaspoons of coffee, shift it to the blender and blend it for 20 seconds. Add a scoop of ice cream to the serving mug. Chocolate ice cream is a good option to go with this. Now pour it in the serving mug. Leave a little room for other toppings. Add another scoop of ice cream. Top it up with wafers and some chocolate sauce or anything you really like. Serve it chilled. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. I have added the ingredients in the description box below. Don't forget to comment on how you liked the recipe. Thanks.